They're on fire. Hallo, ich bin Adam C. und willkommen bei der Porsche 993. We're at the Nurburgring. This is our little home from home. This is our house for the weekend. It's a whole community of Nurburgring goers, and we're going to join the track in the 911. Oh, a Type R with the number plate that says Type R. It's doing some last-minute modifications to his Fiesta. Yeah, the Fiat Fiesta. That's it. The scenery of the roads around the Nurburgring are just breathtaking, awe-inspiring, but you forget about that because the roads around the Nurburgring are just breathtaking, awe-inspiring, but you forget about that because the road of the Nurburgring is what everyone's here for. Oh my goodness gracious me! That wasn't there. That must have been this morning. And there's more out of this junction here. It's not like no one was stood here. They just do this for fun. Ignis. Skid marks up this junction, wiggling all the way up the road. So here we are, lining up behind the Golf R, who's having difficulties doing the most basic of tasks. Do you want the card, sir?
I'll give it a go on myself.
Simple as that. You boot the card, and you go. This is David's second time on the ring. I don't want to distract him too much. Ooh, the compression. It's a 993 Carrera 2, with the RS kit on it. We've got some heavy roof wheels on it as well. Pit lane there, photographers and spotters. And now we start the green hell. We're catching up with a Porsche Cayman GT4. It says it's a GT4 RS.
It does say it's a GT4 RS.
It looks like a GT4 RS.
And Mazda right on the top as well.
Oh yeah, Mazda MX-5 Mark III. We're just in a little convoy.
See if he lets us pass.
It's going to let us pass? Yes. It was an RS. Yes. Oh, the compression. This Golf R in front of us, its brakes are on fire. Literally, we can smell it. Oh, as we get closer, the smell intensifies. That is. Oh, you can see them. His brakes are pretty much. Oh, they're on fire. Right, here we go. This is it. M25. Off. And away we go. Oh, wow, yeah, we got the ring, one of the ring taxis, and well, no, an M2 something I. And the ring freaks. And here is YouTube Corner with not a lot of YouTubers. Hello, YouTubers. Goodbye, YouTubers. It's an easy corner, that's what's surprising. It's bizarre doing a track day without any helmets. Or is this the jump? With that in mind, here's a bit of a, not a jump, but you know, a whoop. Approaching the final bits of the ring, the mini carousel. I'm sure it's got an official name, but final right-hander of the ring, quite a wide one. Multiple apexes.
And have the.
That was a little bit of oversteerings.
I'll try not to let the GT3 RS as well.
Oh right. 191 GT3 RS just cruising with us at 120. Oh, there we go. Was that fun? Back into the car park of kings. You can only park here if you've done a lap. So everyone in this car park has been a hero. So we've got a whole day now to ourselves to enjoy more of the sights around the ring, maybe watch a few corners, see what other cars have turned up. We've got this wide-arched S2000 and it sounded turbocharged as we heard it earlier. Audi 200 Turbo. What a machine. Ah, the woodland walk to the corner. There's a little viewing spot here, look. This is good. The fence here, so it's occupied by the YouTubers, and that is the only gap in the fence to see this corner. This is that induction of the E46 M3. from further up, you're just behind the gates the whole time. Unless you're in that little spot just there. A truck with a car on it. How exciting. What is going on? It's definitely a car. It's still a car, and it's out of view now. There's been a bit of an oil spill and a few crashes. We heard it, and then an impact and a big mushroom cloud. Some of that was true, so we're going to leave it whilst the yellow flag's happening, go somewhere else. BMW Z1 rare. Oh no, maybe they're not rare, because there's another one, and there's another one, and there's another one. Four BMW Z1s. We got a NASCAR livery on the Mercedes. What was that, a CLK or something? We found a car park for the next part of the day, which involves a 20-minute walk that would otherwise be open, but for some reason they haven't opened this bit of road, so we're walking up to another viewing spot. So we've got some beverages and we're just battling through it. So close, but so far still. In the Black Series. Sideways. Is it going sideways? What are you doing on the grass, mate? It's a race track, not a race grass. Try that again. A bit of a wiggle on there. Oh, it's noisy. Be too loud. The Volvo! Woohoo! What are they saying? They're waving. Hello there! They're going very slowly. They were walking away. I know I do mention this, but the scenery here is beautiful. Alpen, hilly, green, and I'm not a nature. I don't know. It's. We've been looking at the clouds and we've noticed that the rain is starting to fall a little bit. For the last hour of the ring being open, we thought we'd go back to YouTube Corner because we didn't really see much goings on there, and try it again for the last part of today. A satin teal with purple and rims. A Bel Air has parked up to spectate. Apparently we've just missed a Fiesta go straight on and into the barrier, as they do. Doggy dog. Go on Tesla, fall off the track. People are slowing down now, they're waving. They know, because the rain really is coming down. Ooh, yeah, it's really slippery. Our car is getting a bit of a wiggle on the approach and on the exit. Go on then. I love how it's all BMWs as well. For that reason, this was a good idea. Understeer from the Porsche. Whoa, that was intentional to a point. This this BMW's got an all-wheel drive Yaris GR behind. Oh, that's coming in quite... It's wiggly. Oh, not a Mustang. Surely not. Not in these conditions. That's the only way to get around the corner, to go negative speed. There we will drive. Oh, understeer. How fun. This Audi is absolutely on it. Oh my goodness gracious, he's still absolutely on it. RS3, my brother. Sounds good, the harmony of 3 6-cylinder engines. It sounded good, but the front one braked a bit too much and scared the other two. In the meantime, there's a dog that's very good at jumping, trying to grab the branches of the tree. I really think that was pretty much that from today though, because look, even the YouTubers have given up. Oh! We've got the spot! Oh, here we go, come on. This has got to be it. Oh, I've been wanting this angle for years. Oh, this is one to watch. Oh, he bailed. BMW M2, he's got the chassis for it as he got the balls. Oh, here we go, here he goes. Initially, and then kind of bailed a little bit as well. Oh, they're slipping. Oh, is that the E39? Oh, right, okay. I'm filming the E39. It was good. I don't think it's quite as wet as they thought it would be. There he goes. Amazing. Oh, the C63 wagon's back. What's he going to do this time? Oh. It's a bit drier now, I suppose. Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely dried out now. Are you going to do anything? Nope. Oh, there we go. Oh, not quite enough power. Is he going to do it on this corner? I think he will. Look, the line's there. And clutch kick. There he goes. But I think that was pretty much that from the Nurburgring and our entire time here at the Nurburgring for the Car Freitag Easter weekend. So I hope you enjoyed the 3 videos from this year, starting off with Car Freitag, then the Saturday, and now today, the Sunday. Follow me on all my social channels for updates and highlights of the things that I get up to. Literally nothing left now. We've had a blast, but for now, thanks for watching.